headed out to Newton Falls. There's a covered bridge out here that I wanted to see. So we're going to head over here and check this out. Well, this is Glenn Oldman with the Cam. Good afternoon, and we're out in Newton Falls, Ohio. We're going to check out a couple of things while we're here. Sam's Pizza. They sponsor. This is their park. Newton Fall. Little Tigers. But the reason we're here is to see this bridge. It's one of the covered bridges. It was closed for quite a while. Let's head over and check out the historical marker that's there. It is a one-lane bridge, courtesy in either direction. But there it is. From what I understand, sometime in 2023, let's see, historical significance. Originally built in 1831. Newton Falls covered bridge. It had some structural damage to it. It was an automobile that I believe either an auto or a truck ran into it. Let's walk along here. Does have a walkway for pedestrians. That is the East Branch of the Mahoning River. Thought I saw a sign of something. Okay. And it is okay for vehicle traffic to go through. You can hear the boards ticky-tacking. It was repaired. I believe it was closed for about a year. Very exciting. Let's see what it looks like on that side. We have the abutments and the two piers there, all made out of stone. Piers. Excuse me. Piers. Okay, let's see if we can do a quick walkthrough. I'd like to walk through this bridge. We have a vehicle coming down there. We'll wait, because they're going to come through. As they come through on the phone. Oh, nice light. Another light. I think there's 4 lights in here. No windows. There's where the damage took place. You can see that all of the new lattice put in there. And they put it in to make it look like the original. It is frequently used, as you can see. Okay, that is unique. This is one of 3 bridges I'm going to do some research on, because they were damaged, closed for a while, and then either totally rebuilt or repaired to the point where they can be used again. And again, erected in 1831. That is cool. You can see it is a busy little area here. Okay, let's take a ride through that. We've just walked through the bridge. Now we're going to drive through. It's going to be rather unique. I do believe that when it was reopened, Dennis Kucinich was out here for the reopening. I'll see if I can find some pictures of that. But here we go. You can hear the old boards clicking underneath you. That is kind of cool. I enjoyed that. Let's head down to the center of town. The area was settled as early as 1802 and became a village in 1872. In 1985, an F5 tornado devastated the area, damaging several homes and buildings. Its name is believed to be derived from the 2 falls on the Mahoning River, and a bit of an early Down East settlers' corruption of the name Newtown to Newton. As I head down West Broad Street, I'll enter the center of town of this cute little village known as Newton Falls. Well, this is kind of their park. And you know what's kind of unique about this town? It's zip code. We'll take a look at that in a bit. Its zip code is easy to remember. 44444. All you have to do is remember one number, and you've got the zip code to Newton Falls. Let's take a walk over here. The Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty in Newton Falls, Ohio. Is that rather unique? Nice little park setting here. Yeah, they've got music playing over there. I hope we don't get a copyright strike on that. Unique. The tigers, tiger paws. And this is the other side of the park here. Beautiful. Kind of old-timey down here. The tiger paws are all the way through town, the center of town. There's the water tower. There's a covered bridge inn restaurant. Church Mouse thrift shop. And they do have these speakers throughout the center of town. Let's get on this side. Guns and hoses. Oh, there you go. Sewing leather. They still have some fall settings out here. Kind of nice. Ambets. No shortage of sweet little shops throughout here. Let's go down and take a look at the falls down at the end of the street here. Visiting the actual falls. Of course, if you're coming out, there are some steps to navigate to get down here. As you can see, I mean, there is a viewing area over there that's readily accessible or on the bridge, but the best view is down here. If anyone knows any other hot spots down here in Newton Falls, please leave a comment below. I wouldn't mind visiting this pleasant little town one more time. This is Glenn, Old Man with a Cam, saying thanks for joining me. Glad to have you along. You have a great day now.